Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your device ready. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes so you can revert if needed. Next, enroll the Apple ID in the Apple Beta software program through Settings. This opens the path for beta apps. Once the beta profile is installed, reboot the device to apply changes. You do this because beta features require matching OS support. Installing the profile ensures the store and app packages allow preview builds to appear for download. Once your OS can accept betas, open the App Store and install TestFlight. It's the official delivery method for pre-release iOS apps. Then accept the Minecraft beta invitation sent by Mojang or join an open slot. TestFlight shows an invite or join button. You should install the beta build shown and grant requested permissions. This allows features to run correctly. Make sure to wait until the update completes fully, because launching midway can corrupt local app data. Now, open the beta Minecraft through TestFlight, sign into your Microsoft account, and sync or copy any worlds you need to keep. Play briefly to confirm saves and features. TestFlight lets you send crash reports and feedback directly, include steps to reproduce and screenshots so developers can fix issues. If something goes wrong, use your backup to restore or uninstall the beta and reinstall the stable App Store version. That returns you to a reliable state while you wait for fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.